Let me post something on my Instagram account and see the magic further. So here I'm going to create a new post and here I'm going to select the image. So right here I'm getting this image which I'm going to select, and now let's move on forward and provide the caption to our post. So right here I have provided this caption to my Instagram post, and now let me share this post over my account and we will see whether we get this post over my Telegram account too or not. And for that we have to wait for a few minutes because Instagram is a polling based trigger, and here you can see that my post has been shared successfully. Now let's wait for a few minutes and afterwards we will move towards my Telegram account to check for this post data. So now the time is over and let's move on towards my Telegram account with me. So right here I'm on my Telegram account where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this message which says new Instagram post published, and right here I'm getting the same caption which I have just added over my Instagram post, and here you can see we are getting the post URL. So now let me select this URL and show you the post which I have just added. So here you can see that I'm redirected to the post which I have just created over my Instagram account. So now you have seen the integration of both these applications, that is Instagram and Telegram, where I'm adding my Instagram post to my Telegram to notify my community regarding the newly added post. So now you can also grow the reach of your Instagram post by using this automation, which will take your Instagram post to be automatically sent to Telegram so that your community can get notified about your posts too. So now you can also create this automation by using an automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that can integrate varieties of applications. So now let me show you how you can also use this automation tool. And no worries, you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating it. Now let's move on towards my workflow page of Pabbly Connect, where we are going to create this automation, and for accessing it you have to type its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you have to sign up for free. And Pabbly Connect is currently offering you the free trial. So make sure to try it. And if you are an existing user, then you have to select this sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen, you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. And this coupon code is going to provide the heaviest discount compared to other coupon codes. So make sure to grab this offer before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the workflow page, where we have to select the trigger application. So right here I'm going to select my trigger application as Instagram for Business, as I want to initiate this workflow as soon as a post is created over my Instagram account. And here I'm getting this application, so I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as new media posted in my account. Now let's build the connection, and right here we are on the connection page, where for building a new connection you have to select this button, that is add new connection. Now let's connect with Instagram for Business, and right here I have to select the Facebook account connected with my Instagram account, and I have already logged in my Facebook account so I can build the connection easier. So as I have clicked over this continue button, again I have to click over here. So make sure to log in the Facebook account connected with your Instagram account, and here the connection has been built in, and we are getting this field for selecting the Instagram account to use, which is already selected as I have just built in the connection. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request and fetch the latest post created over my Instagram account. So for that, we firstly have to move towards the Instagram and create a new post so that we can fetch it. And right here, I'm going to add this image to my post. Now let's provide the caption. So right here, I have provided this caption, and now let me share my post. And here you can see that my post has been shared successfully. So now let me show you the post which I have created with this caption, that is, nature never rushes yet everything falls into the place. And now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect, where we are going to click over the save and send test request, and Pabbly Connect will automatically fetch the latest post created over our Instagram account. So here I'm going to select it, and as I have selected it, I'm getting this response, and this response consists of the media URL, the hyperlink of the post which we have just created, and here you can check out this is the caption which we have added over our Instagram post. So you can see that we are getting this response. So now by using this response, I'm going to notify my community regarding the newly added post over my Instagram account. But Instagram is a polling based trigger, means it is going to fetch the post after a certain unit of time. So for setting that trigger time, you have to make the right click over this button that is set trigger time, and from here you can set the trigger time. So I'm going to keep it as check every 10 minutes. Means Pabbly Connect is going to check your Instagram account after every 10 minutes for newly created post. Now let me save it, and now we are going to add our action application, that is going to be Telegram, where I'm going to notify my community regarding the newly added post. Now let's select the app event as send text message or reply, and now let's build the new connection. So for that we have to enter the token. So now let's move on towards my Telegram account, and here I'm going to search for the bot father which can be seen here. And now here I'm going to start it, and here I'm going to create a new bot. So I have selected it. Now it is asking me to choose a name for my bot. So here I have chosen this name, that is Insta Post, and as I have provided it, it is saying me that this username must end with the word bot. So here I'm going to provide the username. So here I have provided this name. Now let me provide it. And here you can see it's saying that this username is already taken. So now let's provide another name. Now let's enter this name. And here you can see that my bot has been successfully created, and here we are getting this token which I'm going to copy and paste over the Pabbly Connect. And now let's save it, and here you can see that the connection has been built in, and now we are getting this field for entering the chat ID. So for getting the chat ID, let's move on towards my Telegram account with me, where I'm going to start this bot which I have just created. And now I'm going to add this bot to a group where I want to notify my community regarding the post, or either you can create a new group and add this bot to that particular group. But I'm going to add this bot to my pre-existing group named as Instagram post. So I'm going to add it over here. So here you can see that we are getting this bot, so I'm going to add it as a member of this group. And here you can see that it is added successfully. Now we have to provide admin permission to this bot so that it can send messages to this particular group. So here I'm going to provide the admin permission to it. So for that you have to move towards this administrator, where I'm going to add this bot as the admin. So here I have added it, and here you can see that this bot has got the admin permission, and here on the search bar you can see this is the chat ID required over our Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to just enter it, and now it is asking me to enter the text message which I want to send to my Telegram. So now let's enter it. So this is the text message which I'm going to send to my user, and here after this word caption, I'm going to provide the caption of my Instagram post. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type it like this. But no, here I'm going to perform mapping, which is a method provided by Pabbly Connect, by using which we map the data from our previous step, and that field becomes dynamic. And for mapping the data, you have to press this slash symbol, and right here we are getting a previous application. So from its response I'm going to map the caption, and now here I'm going to map the URL of the Instagram post which I have just added. So here I have provided this hyperlink, and now we are getting all these fields which are not necessary, and from here you can select your pass mode either as HTML or markdown, and these fields are dynamic, means these are going to replace with every new single post created over your Instagram account. So now you don't have to worry about manually changing it or adding it. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that a message might be sent. So now let's move on towards my Telegram account and check for this message, and here you can see that we are getting this message which consists of the same caption which I have added over my Instagram post, and here you can see this is the post URL, and right here we are getting the same post which I have added over my Instagram account. So now I have shown you how you can integrate your Instagram and Telegram with each other and automate your task. So now you can also use this automation for whatever business you are running. And this is going to help your business to grow the reach, as this automation can entirely post the content added over your social media site, that is Instagram. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box. So make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT, because this is going to provide you the heaviest discount ever. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.